Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be driving the last 24 miles of New Hampshire State Route 101 before we reach I-95, which is our ultimate goal. We begin at mile 108 in the town of Candia in Rockingham County. We enter the town of Raymond with a population of 10,684 as of the 2020 census. The original settlement was called Freetown, but was changed to Raymond in 1764. In 1861, the Concord and Portsmouth Railroad reached Raymond. A year later, the route was altered to pass through Manchester instead of Concord. In 1906, Andrew Carnegie awarded $2,000 to build a library, which opened in 1908 as the Dudley Tucker Library. Passenger trains stopped running in 1954, with mixed train service ending in 1960. By 1971, the local tannery burned down and the nearby gravel pit closed, ending most rail activity. The last train came through in 1980 and the tracks were removed by 1985. Today, the old depot houses the Raymond Historical Society. At the Lamprey River, we enter the town of Epping, which had a population of 7,125 as of the 2020 census. Epping was originally part of Exeter, one of New Hampshire's 4 original townships. Starting in 1710, Exeter encouraged settlement by offering free wood lots in the area. In 1741, Epping was officially incorporated as a town, the last one chartered by Governor Jonathan Belcher before New Hampshire got its own governor, separate from Massachusetts. Named after Epping in England, the town's economy in the 1800s was largely based on farming, along with brickmaking, thanks to local clay reserves. In 1840, the first commercial brickyard was established. Epping also became an important railroad junction connecting to the Worcester, Nashua, and Rochester Railroad and the Portsmouth and Concord Railroad, later both part of the Boston and Maine Railroad. The north-south W&R line was abandoned in 1932, leaving only the east-west Portsmouth branch for rail access. Passenger service on the Portsmouth branch ended in 1954, with mixed train service stopping in 1960. Regular freight service to Epping continued until 1972, and occasional freight trains served the town afterwards. By the 1970s, only a few local businesses, including the Merrimack Farmers Exchange and W.S. Goodrich Brickyard, remained as rail customers. Declining track conditions led to an embargo on the line in 1979, with the last train passing through Epping that year. The Boston and Maine Railroad abandoned the line in 1982, and the tracks were removed between 1983 and 1985. Today, the old railroad beds are part of the Rockingham Recreational Trail, with remnants like the W&R bridge abutment still visible near Route 125. We enter the town of Exeter, which had a population of 16,049 as of the 2020 census. In September 1965, Exeter gained attention in UFO history when a local teenager, Norman Muscarello, along with two police officers, Eugene Bertrand and David Hunt, saw a bright red UFO up close. The sighting made national headlines and became the subject of the best-selling book Incident at Exeter by journalist John F. Fuller. Despite investigating, the Air Force couldn't explain the strange object, and many UFO enthusiasts still regard it as one of the most remarkable sightings ever recorded. We enter the town of Hampton with a population of 16,214 at the 2020 census. Hampton extends to the Atlantic coast to the east. Hampton Beach State Park offers a range of activities throughout the year, with its long stretch of sandy beach along the Atlantic Ocean. People can swim, fish, have picnics, or camp in RVs, with the campground providing full hookup facilities. It's a place to enjoy the outdoors in different seasons. Here we've reached I-95 and have to make two loops to get onto I-95 North with a toll plaza in the middle. This is our second toll we've encountered and 75 cents was charged to our account. Coming up, we'll continue up I-95 to its northern terminus and we'll be taking our viewers along for the ride. Our major coverage will be I-95 southbound, but in our upcoming videos there are a few things we wanted to show you on I-95 North, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.